guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you on how to make chicken liver. And before I introduce my ingredients, please subscribe. If you are new here, karibu sana. Our ingredients are, we have chicken liver, we have tomatoes, we have pilipili hoho, we have dhania, we have onion, we have oil, here we have pilipili kali, here we have ginger, we have garlic, and we have salt. We start by adding oil, followed by onions, and make sure we cook our onions until they turn golden brown. Then as we wait for our onions to get ready, you add garlic and ginger. Make sure you stir well. Kitunguu yetu imeiva, tutaongeza tomatoes. As we wait for our tomatoes to get ready, we add a pinch of salt. Kipimo ya Waafrika ya macho. We add our pilipili hoho. Then we add our chicken liver, zive moja. Here's our chicken liver, naweka zive pamoja. Make sure you stir very well, zishike huko chini. After that, you add 2 glasses of water. Yangu napima na hii. This one. 1. Na ya pili. Then I wait for 10 minutes. Zive. As it continues to boil, we add our pilipili kali. Then a bit of dhania. Dogo tu, sio mingi. Guys, as you can see, our chicken liver is ready. Check out. Guys, check our chicken liver. So yummy. Guys, thank you so much for watching my videos, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. It's free. It's free. Next time, mtafurahi. Don't forget to share, to like, and to comment. Till next time, bye bye.